I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by setting clear prerequisites. Aim for roughly level 50 and unlock Torrent for fast travel. This speeds exploration dramatically. Once done, head to Limgrave and claim the nearby map fragment so the route becomes visible, and make sure to talk to essential NPCs to trigger related events. From the nearest site of grace, pick the path toward the coastal cliffs, move deliberately, use stealth where needed, and follow visible landmarks to avoid unnecessary detours. Once on the coastal trail, keep to cliffside routes and use landmark towers as navigation anchors. This prevents getting lost among similar terrain. Make sure to clear mini-boss encounters methodically, engage with ranged pressure, bait attacks, and punish during recovery frames. After each fight, rest at the nearest site of grace so you don't lose progress. Also, place a mental waypoint at a chained bridge or cave entrance. This is the precise middle marker that leads to You reach the final approach by entering the hidden cavern behind the waterfall or through the fog gate. Anticipate a scripted encounter and position yourself to control space. Use consumables, fireproof items, buff flasks, and extra healing to extend survivability and make sure your ranged option is ready for interrupting summons. After the confrontation, claim the Azur-related reward at the altar or chest. If something breaks, reload the area, re-equip ranged kit, or backtrack to re-trigger the map fragment to reset the event.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.